radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eyewall of Hurricane Helene. We're moving onshore 39 miles. Moving north at 30. And life-threatening situations. Locations and tactics include Tallahassee, Woodville, Marshalltown, St. Mark's, Perry, Madison, Horseshoe Point, Wakulla, Horseshoe Beach, Cody, Pinetta, Perry Foley Airport, San Pedro Junction, Treat these imminent extreme winds. Safe room in your shelter. Take action now to save your life. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses,